How to check model number of iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, go to General as shown. Then, tap on About. This section provides details about your device, including the iOS version, model name and number, serial number, and more. As you can see, you can check the model number of your phone from here. The model number uses the first letter to indicate its status, M for new, F for refurbished, N for replacement, and P for personalized units. This code helps identify a device's origin, ensures compatibility with apps and accessories, aids in troubleshooting, and assists in checking warranty status, all of which are crucial when buying or selling a device. Following these steps, you can easily check model number of iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.